CES is full of loud tech, robotics, big massive screens, more features, but every once in a while you walk into a booth that feels calm. And that was LumiMind. Instead of trying to overpower you with tech, they're doing something very different. They're building the technology that understands your mental state in real time. Now, what is LumiMind? Well, LumiMind is a neurotechnology company and their goal is to understand what your brain is doing and respond to it.
Hey guys, so we are here at LumiMind where behind me they're showcasing the world's first closed-loop EEG sleeping solution, completely science-based. It's called the LumiSleep, so let's check it out.
At CES 2026, LumiMind is showing LumiSleep, which is the world's first consumer sleep device designed to read brain waves in real time. That statement alone is wild. It uses EEG sensor in a soft headband to read your brain waves directly while you're awake or while you're relaxing or while you're drifting towards sleep. Through years of research, LumiMind identified something they call the sleep onset pattern, which is a specific brainwave pattern that appears when your mind naturally transitions from wakefulness to sleep. Visitors are invited to wear the device and interact with a live experience where their brainwaves are being read and responded to in real time. What's really happening under the hood is that the device is reading EEG brain signals live, detecting shifts in focus, tension, and engagement, and then translating those signals into instant feedback. Yes, this is live brain device interaction in real time, not something that's being generated afterwards. So what do you really hear? Well, there are three layers and they work together. First up is sleep guide, the main experience, which is real-time sound guidance generated from your brain activity. Then comes authentic beats. This is soft, low-frequency rhythm created live from your brain waves, helping your mind settle. And then we have subtone, an optimal ambient sound like rain or soft texture just to make the experience feel warmer. If you wake up at night, there's re-sleep. It's a quick restart that adapts to your current brain state instead of replaying the same thing again. Now, in case you're wondering where is all this science comes from when it comes to LumiSleep, well, all this is built on the research from the Insight Institute for Neuro AI. This institute is dedicated to understanding the human brain through neural signal foundation model and advancing breakthroughs in brain-computer interface technology. And well, LumiSleep shows what's possible when this technology works with the brain. Now you might be thinking, how does it feel in real life? Well, this headband is soft, lightweight, designed for real sleep, including side sleepers. There's no complicated setup. You just put it on, do your thing, lie down or play games and let it do its thing. Big thanks to LumiMind for partnering with us for this video.
So guys, I did a sleeping personality test and I am a dawn, middle, fragile. So LumiMind gave me this, my sleeping animal, DMF.
All in all, LumiMind CES booth was truly different compared to everything that was showcased. This was awesome neuroscience presented in a very human and calm, approachable way. This technology makes sense for people who are curious about how their mind actually behaves. They want non-invasive brain wellness tools, or if they want to appreciate adaptive and intelligent systems. LumiSleep is launching in the first half of 2026. I'll keep an eye on its release. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. As always, subscribe if you're new here. Stay tuned for more CES coverage and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.